this short video, we will learn how to use a web map service in Trimble Access. So you will need a URL, first off, that contains your web map. And wherever you may be getting that, that's fine, as long as you have that URL. And then you need to know the coordinate system that it's operating in, and often it'll give you an EPSG, so you can just find out what that is exactly, and then make sure that your Trimble Access job matches that coordinate system. So I've done that already, and what I need to do now is open Layer Manager, so I'm going to do that, and go to Map Files tab. And we see Web Maps here at the bottom. I'm going to press that, and you can see that I have no web maps, so I'll need to press New. I'm going to give it a name. I'm just going to call it Digital Ortho, and our service type is going to be a web map service. I will now paste in my URL, and then if there's a sign-in method needed, you'd put it here. There is none for this. I press accept. It tests the URL, says it's completed successfully. If you're seeing an error here, you may need to check that your URL is correct, or that you're utilizing the wrong address, something like that. So ensure that you've got the correct URL. Say OK now, and now you're presented with a little bit more options. There's our coordinate system, so we need to make sure we're matching that in our project. If we have it set incorrectly right now, we could change it, and then we'd be able to see our background. I'm going to select it as a base layer, and we press test again if we like. Completed successfully, everything looks good, excellent. We can also choose to request transparent PNG files if needed. I'm going to press accept now. And we should, if I zoom in here, I've turned on the layer now, and I'm going to zoom in. And there it is, it's starting to load. We can see our background map now. Perfect. It's a little bit fuzzy in that area. We get up here into our focal area here. There we go. Zoom in where the imagery is going to be much clearer. And what I can also do is see here how I've got this arrow to expand, and I've got a bunch more options here that I can isolate. So that's all contained within this same URL. And what I'm actually going to do is I want to use this LiDAR data. So to turn all of these off, I can say none down here, and it deselects every one of those. By pressing all, it brings them all back, obviously. We'll keep it at none. I'm just going to turn on the hill shade LiDAR here, and I'll press accept. Now I'm going to zoom back in, and here we go. Zoomed way out. Now I'm zooming back in, and what we're seeing here is some LiDAR data in the background. So now I have this wonderful LiDAR map in the background, so I could make sure perhaps I'm doing a topographic survey and I want to make sure that I'm getting all the relief that the LiDAR is getting. We could even compare what it looks like. Yeah, and then if I want to turn that back off, it's as simple as deselecting again, and then I could go in and turn on which I want or which I don't. And that's how you utilize a web map service in Trimble Access. Thank you for your time.